Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create simple sketch and model, 3D model and 2D drawing. So let's start the model. So now new part file is loaded now. So let's select the front plane and go to sketch. See, in this model units are in inches. Okay, we can consider anything in mm or inches, so I'm taking inches right now. So I need to set the units IPS and up to 2 decimals, and dimension also we have to go for the option show. Okay, so let me start from the base. So base is 3 inches. Select the line feature, line entity. Select the line and go to center point. And control and select the origin, make it coincide, so it is constrained now. Next I will try to draw the shape. So this is 0.25. This is 0.5. This is 1.25. This is 0.75. is one. This is 1.5. This is 2. This is 2.25. Sorry, 2.25. So this is not constrained. So what we need is select this line and this line, and make it collinear. So this sketch is completely constrained now. Come out of this sketch. See, it is fully defined. So come out of this sketch, and we need to save the file. Something part 6. Now select the sketch, go to feature, select extrude. Is 5 inches. Let's order it. Looks more. So 3. Save this file. So now I'm changing the color. So this is the simple model. So now I will create new drawing. So here we need to go to view layout, model view, and double click on this part and click on the drawing sheet. So now we need to set the units. So 1:1, slightly increase. I think this is sufficient. So these are in inches, so notes also we need to change into inches. So dimensioning is similar to sketch. So here we need to give the dimension. See, here this length is 1 inch, so I need to change these units. Now it is in units, okay, in inches and up to 2 decimals. Okay, next 0.75, this is 1.5, and this is 2, this is 0.5, this is 2.25, this is 3, this is 0.25, this is 1.25. So my drawing is ready. So we should not give dimension inside, so we have to move either here or keep it outside. Yeah, we can flip or we. So this is how we need to create the drawing. Next videos I am going to create still more complex models. This is for initial learners who wants to know about the SolidWorks creation of SolidWorks creation of model as well as drawing.